The Set Social tab lets you add descriptions to each one of your channels and add a default image. So if you have any posts that are missing images, these default images will appear for that post. You can also hide channels to be displayed on the page, but they're still available to be displayed using carousels and sliders. Let's take a look at the page. You can see here is the description that we talked about. And if I now go over to philosophy, you can see that there's another different descriptions on this channel. And if I go over now and I hide my technology channel and I say update, and I go over to my page and I refresh this, you can see that the channel, technology channel, is now gone. But if I go over to my widgets, these posts come from the technology channel and they're still available and can be embedded anywhere on the page. And you can see here, this comes from the history, and this post did not have an image, so the image that we have for our history channel has been replaced and added to this post so that our pages will always look presentable for our website and our viewers.